Perkenalkan nama saya Rahmadani, saya dari kelas M1 dengan NIM 2110417561. Saya akan membacakan teks Business Philosophy at the JM Smokers Company. With a name like Smokers, it has to be good based on Smokers' recent success and growth in the jam, jelly, perceivers, and mallet industry. It will be hard for anyone to doubt that statement. The total jam and jelly sales of smokers is over $1 billion a year. By first casing in and then surpass jelly giant Kraft Inc. and Wedge, Smokers now has a 37% share of the total jam and jelly market and is the leading manufacturer in the industry. The GM Smokers Company based in Orfile, Ohio is a family-run operational. In 1897, Jerome Monroe Smokers decided to bring in extra income by making apple cider and apple butter from all family recipes. One on the same property where today modern factory now stand. Jerome careful monitored the quality of his product personally, signing the paper that over each container of apple butter now at all of smokers then plant around the country. A devotion to quality remains a key element of smokers business. Soon after Jerome began his smokers, other members of the smoker family became involved. They took most of their earning and poured them back into the company. In 1969, the Smoker family decided to take their company public. They retained 30% of the stock, selling 25 to institution and pension fund and the rest to individual investor. Paul Smokers, the chief executive and grandson of the founder, and his son are now taking their number one position in the jam and jelly market for granted. They know the mass fund offering jam companies as well as variety of domestic competitor. Smokers must also respond to the new wave of health awareness and calorie consciousness in the USA, as well as change in consumer tastes. Part of the smokers' strategy for keeping on top is the introduction of new product. Recently, smokers has had a number of successful new entries into the market. Simple fruit, fruit with no preservative or artificial flavor and no extra sugar added has been well received. Smokers is also happy with the sales of its fresh packed strawberry preserves available for only a few weeks a year. The smokers pride themselves on innovation of all kinds. Smokers, sensing the coming of a trend, was the first company in the jam and jelly industry to print nutritional information on individual product label. Is was the first company to use reusable lids on its jar. Smokers even has a special invention group that gets together to discuss ideas. All ideas, no matter how outdated and crooked, all negative comment in the meeting are prohibited. Quality, integrity, and customer realism make up the foundation of Smokers Company philosophy. Quality comes first, earning and sales drone come after. Paul Smokers personally reads thank you notes to all new soldier. Also suggests that the tell friends to try Smokers product. Smokers refuse to possess advertising time during any television show that contain violence or sex scenes. It wants to maintain its wholesome old-fashioned image. Smokers also pay for full-time federal government inspector to monitor the entry jam and jelly manufacturing process. Because of this, Smokers is the only company to carry the agricultural department top US grade A designer on all its product. So much from me, thanks.